Alright, so yeah, just like I said, you could use the slope and y-intercept on this one, but tables are good as well, okay? And even though I didn't do it on that earlier example, well, I'll use 3 points on this one just to confirm the pattern, right? So on this one, and I am only going to choose values of x on this one, and yeah, it's not y, it's really f of x. It doesn't matter which one you put right there. But I still would recommend choosing 0. 0 is a very easy number to work with, right? So we got f of x, which I'm just going to show as y, equals 3 times 0 plus 2. And this, again, this is the nice thing about this. You can just plug that directly into the calculator, and it would give you 2. So we got the 0.02 right there by choosing an x value that's 0. And again, I'm choosing another x value, but this time I'm choosing another easy value so that the calculations are at least relatively easy. So if I say x is 1, that should work out pretty good. We get y equals 3 times 1 plus 2. And that gives us y is 5. So this is a new ordered pair 1, 5, which puts us right here. Now, just if I can see the pattern here, which is nice. And if we were to follow this up, I'm just going to be off the graph. So I'm actually not going to choose 2, right? Because I should expect it to be somewhere up here, up there. So I'm going to choose to go to the left here and choose x is -1. And again, this is the nice thing about having the freedom of choosing these is if you see that it's going off the graph, then just go the other direction, okay? So I started at that red point, I went to the right. I can see I'm going off the graph, so now I'm going to the left. So that brings up this equation. We got y equals 3, but now it's times -1 there, plus 2, which is going to give us y equals 1. So we get -1. I'm sorry, that should be -1. Okay, -1, which is right here, and that gives us the graph that we can, points to graph this with. There we go.